I bought 2 Nanking cherry bushes a few years ago. They are growing and getting larger every year. But my cherries are only skin over pit. What do my Nanking cherry bushes need to make a plump cherry? They are planted in heavy clay. This is Eleanor from Mount Pleasant, Michigan.
Oh.
All right, so what does she need to make a plump cherry? All right.
Well,
heavy clay now.
Heavy clay, yeah. I would try to get it a little bit looser,
Okay.
more, it sounds like she needs to add compost or something organic to the soil to make it looser, which would give it more nutrients that it might need to make a better cherry. But from what all I have researched, it says that usually the size of the cherries, now they started in the early 19th century of really wanting this to be good, and they were probably trying to get bigger berries and everything, and it fell out of favor about 20 or so years, and then so nobody has made any new cultivars of it.
Oh, wow, how about that?
But it says the berry size is based on the source of the plant that you get it from.
Okay.
So if she needs to, or he needs to, they need to get it from a source that has a better berry to begin with.
Wow. Okay. Better
berry to begin with.
Wow.
And sometimes nurseries and stuff sell them. Obviously they're selling them for the fruit, so you might want to get them from a nursery that has a variety that actually promotes that it's going to have good fruit.
Wow.
But then I would put it in a little bit looser soil, more organic matter, and give it some nutrients so that it can produce the best berry it can.
Okay. Well, we'll tell Miss Eleanor this, so go by your local extension office and maybe they'll have, a publication or some information about the Nanking cherry.
Yeah.
In the area. So they may have, some things that might be interesting for you. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.